Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video you will learn how you can use Google Sheets, the average function. So you can see here we have right now a survey or questionnaire with the gender, and the second question is the age. And now what we want to know is, what is the average of this? Well, you can do it the very complicated way by calculating everything first and then divide by the amount of people who answer the questionnaire, but of course there is a far faster way. So all you have to do is just type in here equal, and then you can see here average. You already give some suggestions as well. Let's type it in, average, and it really takes exactly what we want. So average, so I'll just do this, and then we just select the range. That's how we do it. Enter, and then you can see the average is 51 years of age and 44 months, 0.44, basically 0.4. So it must be somewhere, it's probably close to April, or somewhere else. So that is how you can calculate the average. It's very easy.